Hi everybody, Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today for 3 reasons. I have an announcement, a request, and a special offer for you. First, the announcement. For the first time since I started this YouTube channel several years ago, I'm going to take some time off. In fact, I'm going to take the rest of the summer off. So don't be worried if you don't see my videos every Wednesday like usual, but I will be back in September. So like the song says, I'll see you in September. So in the meantime, though, I have a request because we're kind of running out of things to talk about. So please, please, please keep those Ask Cheri questions and comments coming in so we can make new videos in September. Okay, now for the best part, the special offer for you. Just because I'm taking the summer off doesn't mean that you necessarily should, and I'm going to make it really, really attractive for you to go to summer school. That's right, but summer school has never been as fun as this. I have a whopping 40% off offer on all of my online cannabis courses. That means this summer you can learn how to be a perfect edibles chef, or you can make healing topicals, or learn how to make perfect cannabis gummies. All those courses are on sale this summer while I'm on vacation for 40% off. So, enter the coupon code SummerSchool40 at checkout at Cannademy, and there'll be links in the comments below, and you will get any and all courses there. You can take them all if you'd like at 40% off. This is a huge discount. We almost never give these larger discounts, so take advantage this summer. Go to summer school, learn to cook with cannabis, learn to make gummies, learn to make topicals, and I will see everybody in September.